Hi, and welcome to Little Bits Honeybees YouTube channel. We've been doing that a little bit of mini series on making starter hives. I just pulled this graft out of a good starter, and this is what we got. They made 2, 5, 6 cells. I knew immediately what was the matter. A virgin moved into the bottom box and we come back in mated. The queen excluder, she kept us out of our starter. So what we're going to do here today, we're going to pull a split out of this bottom of this starter. This is the bottom. She's flew back in, they've called her in, and we got a queen in here. These was all just starter strips. That's all it was. She's got it all laid full. That whole frame is laid full of eggs. Hopefully it'll be a marked queen that I marked a virgin and we'll know what it is. I can pretty well tell by the color anyway, but okay, she's not on that frame. We're not going to give her all 5 frames. I don't want these bees out of my starter. She's just going to get a frame or 2 bees, and that's all she's getting. You can see she's been in there a while. There's cat brood. But, you know, that's one advantage. It keeps you from cutting cells down, but I didn't catch it in time. I noticed last week they started drawing on my queen cells, and I thought it was just filled up in the bottom, but the queen had moved in. I've been so busy I just didn't have time to check it out. In fact, this frame I probably won't give her because it's cat brood. I'll just let, yeah, it's got some eggs in it though. They could hatch a cell out and come in and do it again. I better not. I don't ever check past the top box most of the time. Another frame, all laid up. Well, she got all the nurse bees in the world to lay eggs. We just got to find her in this mess. Well, I have not seen her yet. I mean, worst case scenario, we could just move the whole box, but I may have to do that. There she is, Martha Carpenter. Right here where my thumb's at. She was painted virgin, come out of the mating yard. Took over this hive. You see her? So, what we got is a split. Nah, I'll just give her them 4 frames. This got eggs on it though. He didn't have to do that. I guess he thought he had to. We ain't gonna leave her all them bees. It was all my good nurse bees from my starter. Make sure she didn't get back on there. Now we'll see if we can get some drawed frames. I don't want to put no frames of eggs in the bottom because they'll make cells and I won't be able to check them with the queen extruder and stuff on it. I'll go set this down here. We'll make her a weak split. She wants to work, do that. We'll make them weak. Well, what in the world? Girls ain't real happy with us. Quit. I gotta get a brick put on that. There's the split. I don't know if I got any medium frames up here or not. Don't think so. Deeps, deeps, deeps. Walk down here and see if I got any deep or shallow frames. Medium frames, I'm sorry. So far, I'm not batting very good. Here's a few. We don't care what the comb looks like in the bottom. We just want to give them some place to draw so they don't draw on ourselves. That's the whole purpose of the bottom box, to keep them from drawing on my cells. Now then, we got to probably give them another frame of brood, since they can come up here. There ain't nothing going on down there. That's what you call an easy split. Now I'll run up here and get my staple gun. Yeah, we got bees everywhere. They have to find their way back in. And I'm suspecting down here in my other starter 119, they started putting wax on my cells last time. I suspect there's another one in that box down there too. If I'd have caught it a little earlier last week, I wouldn't, I'd have caught it before they quit making cells, but that's pretty good. They made 8 cells with a queen right. They will make a few. But they don't like to. They're not real happy. They've tasted the queen and we took her away. I don't know. I may not give them another frame of brood. I may let them go next time, one more time. See if I can get some of these bees up there. They're getting back in. They're still a pretty strong starter. But that's what I was talking about. You can draw a split off of your starter hive. If you like the videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it, and you get notified when we put more videos up. Thanks for watching.